Hey, how's it going? This is Jay, and if you're a veteran, transition service member, or military spouse interested in cybersecurity and want to take your skills to the next level for free, I got a resource for you. Let's check it out.
Perfect.
All right, we're going to head over to Google and the organization that we want to look into called MAD20. So MAD20, you'll see this here. Click on this link, and you'll see MITRE quite a bit in here. MITRE is a FFRDC. It's a federally funded nonprofit in R&D. They are the actual ones that created the NIST framework. And so this course is based off of the NIST framework. And so they developed this, and MAD20 is the provider of these classes. And so if you look here down towards the middle of the screen, you'll see that they have 4 certifications, and then they have, I'm sorry, correction, 5 certifications and then 3 courses. And so you can learn everything from attack fundamentals to attack cyber threat intelligence, attack security operations, attack adversary emulations, attack threat hunting, purple teaming, adversary emulations again, and then you'll have detection and engineering. Each of the classes come with different lectures. Some do have hands-on labs and range scenarios, and they count for a couple of CPE hours in case you needed that. And so you can click on any one of these. Let's click on the attack threat hunting. So in here, it breaks down what the course is, how many lectures there are, what are the prerequisites for the course, who's the target audience for. So if you have a background, if you currently work, as a cybersecurity or information security analyst, if you're a junior or senior threat hunter, or you're a senior cybersecurity analyst, network architect, this is a good course for you. And you can kind of look through this. Just to be aware, these courses are, intermediate and above for the most part. And so these are not courses that you want to start with. You can probably start with like some free courses on Coursera, to kind of get a good understanding. But these do require you to have some experience. But if you click on them, they'll say exactly what they want you to be to begin with, right? So this is like beginning with the fundamentals, and anyone can take this course. But for some of their additional courses, right, they're mostly intermediate level, so you do have to have some experience. But you can get them for free, and we're going to show you how to do that, right? And so the next thing we want to do is we want to go over to Act Now Education, right? And so once you're on Act Now Education, you want to go to where it says Start Here. And then you join our weekly rundown. It happens every Saturday at 1 p.m. We will discuss how you can apply for these courses at no cost to you and get the scholarships so that you can knock out all 5 courses to include, all 5 certificates to include the 3 courses that they have. So you can take a total, there are 8 different programs and knock that out at no cost. And so look forward to seeing you at the weekly rundown. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you think this information is helpful, please share it with others. I look forward to sharing more information with you. Have a good one, everyone.